Hello heavy metal maidens and masters, I'm Heavy Metal Momma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am showcasing a brand new small business. It is Nazine Alice Designs, and I'm also showing you a couple of items that were sent to me by a viewer, as these two work together very well. But before we get to that, remember to like this video, comment down below to discuss any of the things that come up in the video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do, it is greatly appreciated. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload, and welcome. So we're opening a package today from Nazine Alice Designs. Now whenever I do one of these small business spotlights, I ask the person that's running the business if they would send me a little biography, and this is Nazine's. Hello, my name is Nazine Alice and I'm currently a third year student studying costume design at Arts University Bournemouth. I created Nazine Alice Designs to start my journey of selling handmade items including homeware, clothing and accessories. I am a one-woman business inspired by the Gothic and unusual witch, and my aim is to eventually fill in the gaps of the alternative clothing market. The fabrics that I currently use are not of my own design. Of course, I sew everything myself unless otherwise stated. I may have upcycled a dress, etc. However, I am currently working on my own original designs to be printed onto fabric and eventually intend to use only my own designs. My first original fabric is going to be coming hopefully within the next month, and the theme is going to be tattoos and piercings. And that is the little biography that she sent me. So when I checked out her Instagram page, her Etsy page, some of the stuff on there is really cool. It's that very kind of gothy, housewifey. It's just cute. It's really cute. She's got little crop tops on there. She's got little aprons. She's got some oven gloves. She's got lots and lots of face masks, and that is what we're going to be opening today. So I have here my little package. I didn't bring any scissors, but I'm sure I can get into it all right. Ooh, I do like the purple packaging. It's very cool. Ooh, or black tissue paper as well. You see, it's the thing about small businesses, it's the attention to detail. Everything is beautifully wrapped. Certainly don't get that if you buy off Amazon. Ooh. It is stuck down with her original sticker, which I think is a hand going like that, which kind of looks like a flame as well, with a little tailor's bust in the middle. I don't think you can see it in the light. No, I can't get the light on it. I will try and take a close-up shot of it with the camera at the end so I can show you. I haven't got the lights positioned in the correct place for that today. Ooh! Ooh, there's lots in here. Ooh, right, okay, so we've got, is that a little note? Yes, it's a little post-it note. Ooh, oh, this is cool. Oh, it's one of those Killstar post-it notes. Excellent. It says, Laura, thank you for promoting my business, Nazine Alice. That is okay, Nazine. I'm very excited to promote your business. Thank you very much for asking me. What have we got here? Oh, we've got some stickers. We've got some stickers. Oh, wow, these are cool. So she sent me some stickers because I said that, you know, when I do competitions and stuff, I tend to put things in. So there we go. That is the sticker. Again, I'll do a nice close-up shot for you, so that you can see it in a bit more detail because the lighting's not quite right for you here. Oh, and we've got some really, oh, they're cool. I think this is a picture of her. She's such a badass babe in all her pictures. Really, really cool. Okay, that's kind of amusing. You'll understand in a minute why I'm laughing. Right. Here we go. Here is her business card. Yes, she does. Oh, she does some beautiful little crop tops. Really, really beautiful little crop tops. Her Etsy page is really, really cool. I definitely recommend you go and check her out. Right, so I asked if I could have a particular black face mask because I've got so many crazy designed face masks with, you know, cobwebs on, and my Walking Dead one that I've got from Wilde Mode, and I've got my Necessary Evil one and that kind of thing. And I wanted something that I could wear with my purple coat. I've got the, is it Vixen? No, Poison Industries purple Alice coat, and it is a statement coat, and it is bright purple, which means that you don't want any other colour when you're wearing it. And obviously I have to have my face mask matching my coat. You know, I have to be matchy-matchy. So I asked if I could have, when she said pick a face mask, there's this velvet one. So look, it's textured velvet. I'm going to move the light. There we go. It is textured velvet. It's really cool and really different. I like the fact that it's all black, but it's still really, really interesting. So thank you so much, Nazine. It's really cool. It's really cool. Oh, it's got like a crepe background on it. I really like that. Oh, that's really interesting. And elasticated ear hoops. Right, let's see. How does it go on? Oh, yeah. That is super cool. I really like that. That is going to get so much wear, so much wear. And I like the fact that because it's not cotton, it doesn't rub on your face. That's really, really cool. That's really cool. I like that. It's beautifully stitched as well. And I really like the shape of it. That's a really, really comfortable shape. Just want to make sure I didn't have it on upside down. Hang on. I think I had it on upside down. Yeah, that fits better. There we go. Well, that is going to live in my pocket of my purple coat. Thank you so much, Nazine. Now, she's also, bless her, sent me this, which is a batwing one. And I had a little giggle. I'll show you in a minute why. Oh, that's really cool. I love it. I love it. So this is the same batwing fabric that is on my SUPERSTITCHIOUS apron and oven glove. It's the B-side fabric, as it were. Now, I had a little giggle because the other item that I was going to show you that was sent in by the lovely Morti, who has been viewing this channel for ages, and bless her, she messaged me and said, I'm just making some face masks for fun because I enjoy sewing at home. And she's made me these. It's the same fabric. Oh, I love it. I love it. This is so cool though, but it's exactly the kind of fabric. I love this fabric. I flipping love it, which means I've always got a mask even when they're in the wash. I love it. I love it. I love it. Well, you can never say I don't have enough bat face masks. Oh dear, they're so cool. Morti's has got a built-in nose bridge. Ta-da! There we go. Oh, I can't get this one on with my earrings on. Oh dear, that's brilliant. I love it. I love it. I love it. So yes, these are the ones that the lovely Morti made me. Bless her. Thank you so, so much for sending me those, Morti. In fact, me and my daughter have been wearing them and we were going to film this together, her and I, but unfortunately schooling took a bit longer than we wanted it to, so she ended up having to go to bed. And so I'm filming this now while they're in bed. Normally, you see, I film when they're at school. So I had thought, oh, brilliant, you know, she's home with me. We can do it then. But yeah, I forgot that homeschooling takes probably longer than normal school. So, but thank you, Nazine. These are fantastic. I love it. I love it. In fact, it would mean now that me and Heavy Metal Hubby can have matching masks if we want to. When we go out, we do like to be matchy-matchy. So thank you so, so much. This one is definitely more suited for those days when I want to wear a dangly earring. I love it. I love it. Great minds think alike. Great minds think alike. Nazine also makes aprons and she's definitely got a crop top made out of this bat fabric as well. This fabric's killer. I love this fabric. Absolutely love it. So these are definitely going to get worn. I can see me and my daughter wearing matching masks, or me and Heavy Metal Hubby, but this one, oh, this fabric, it's so soft. It's lovely and soft and so different. I haven't seen a velvety mask anywhere. I haven't seen one anywhere. And so, which was why I was immediately drawn to it, because, you know, it's just so cool. I've seen ones with spikes on, I've seen studs, I've seen corset lacing, haven't seen velvet. And yeah, and I love the fact that it's like a double textured velvet as well. So it just gives it that extra little bit of interest. Plus it's going to be flipping warm in these freezing cold British winter. It is definitely a cold one this year. So thank you, Nazine. As you can see from the website, she's got some really cool stuff on there. So go check out her Etsy shop. I'll put the link up to it up here, and of course down in the description box, as I always do for you guys. So yes, that is Nazine Alice Designs, and obviously thank you Morti as well. And that's so funny that you guys have both thought of the same fabric. I love it. I clearly give off a Gothic bat's aura. Awesome. Well, you know I love plugging small businesses. If you can think of any other small businesses that you think that I should do a shout out video for, then please let me know down in the comments. I love discovering new businesses and telling you guys all about them. So please let me know. What do you think? What is your favourite kind of mask? Do you have a particularly favourite brand of mask? And let me know down in the comments as well. Remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I greatly appreciate all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload. And remember people, stay heavy.